All right, let's get real for a second. Most people think you need a fat stack of cash to start investing. But the truth? You can kick things off with just $100. Yep, seriously, $100. So if you're ready to grow your money, even just a little, stick around. First things first, what exactly is investing? Think of it like planting a seed. You put your money into something, like a company or a fund, and over time, you hope it grows. The goal? Make your money work for you instead of just sitting in your bank account. Now let's talk about where you can actually put that $100. The stock market is a classic starting point. But don't worry, you don't have to be a Wall Street genius. Stocks, ETFs. Stocks are like tiny pieces of a company. When you buy a share, you actually own a small part of that business. If the company does well, your share's value goes up. If it doesn't, well, you get the idea. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are like a basket of different stocks. Think of them as a smoothie, lots of ingredients mixed together. This way, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. If one company drops, the others can balance it out. So, how do you actually buy these things with just $100? That's where investing apps come in. Robinhood, Webull, Fidelity. You can open an account in minutes, transfer your $100, and start investing right from your phone. Most apps let you buy fractional shares. You don't need to buy a whole share of Amazon or Apple. You can own just a piece. So, your $100 can go a long way, even with big-name stocks. But here's the key. Don't just throw your money at the first shiny thing you see. Do a little homework. Look up companies or funds you believe in. Read some reviews. Watch videos like this one. And remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. You might see ups and downs, but the goal is to stick with it for the long haul. Even if you start small, you're building a habit that can seriously pay off down the road. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your $100, pick an app, and start planting that first seed. Your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly money tips. Happy investing!